Dear students, we will be solving this from question 7 in the economics paper now. Perfectly competitive firm, what will it did do? Charges price equal to the marginal cost, that is P equal to MC equal to MR equal to AR, okay, and equal to AC. That's the relationship. A firm with the following long run average cost is experiencing 8 is A, increasing returns to scale. Then 9, in the short run, a rise in the wages will increase the firm's marginal cost. Then 10, a firm operating in an oligopoly differs from one operating in perfect competition because under the perfect competition, firms can only make normal profit in the long run, whereas the oligopoly firms make an abnormal profit in the long run and in the short run. So 10 is C. Given the information given below, the gross domestic product at the market price is given. So you need to just calculate the GDP from here. So we will take 200, this thing, for, and only the subsidies will be subtracted. Okay, so this will be 1625. Okay. Next 12, which of the following is an injection to the circular flow? So the answer to this is C, exports. In an economy where the working population increasingly undertakes the activities themselves rather than employing some else to undertake the task, the national income in that case will generally be reported a lower value than it would be otherwise. Okay. Next 14, an individual who is not actively looking for work after being lost his job due to a change in the activity of the job in the local area is not a part of the labor force. So that's it. In the next video, 3